The list will come out in proper time. There is a process that is followed. First of all, BJP is not only the largest but also the most democratic party. And so we have a consultation process starting from the constituency level to the state level and discussion at national level. And the Central Election Committee has gone through the presentation that was made by the state team, state leadership, along with presence of myself as Prabhari and other Prabharis. And so they will consider it and release it soon. There is no issue of discussing this because, as you have pointed out, this is not an issue to be discussed. It's an unnecessary controversy. We have a team in place. This is a normal process because there is no issue as such. The AGP is our long-standing partner, ally. They are a very old party in Assam, and there is no issue. There is a new party called the UPPL, which has done very well in the borderland areas, and with them also we are in discussions. There is no major issue as such. It's just a question of tying up all the details before it is announced. So everything is in good standing. See, there was another party called BPF in the alliance which has left, and they have announced an alliance with Congress and the very radical Islamist party AIUDF of Ajmal Badruddin. And this is a party that has lost credibility in many areas because of long track record which they have had. And so this other alliance that is coming up is typical of what Congress is trying to do. It has failed in Bihar, it has failed in Uttar Pradesh, now it is trying the same thing. And the point that needs to be made is that the alliance between Congress and AIUDF is blatantly communal. In fact, when the late Tarun Gogoiji of Congress was alive, he took great pains to keep the AIUDF at, to avoid them like the plague. And now Congress has tied up with them. Congress leaders are speaking out against this kind of blatant hypocrisy by the party. In Bengal, Congress has tied up with a similar Islamist communal party, and Congress leaders are speaking out against it. And the same thing is happening in Assam.
Sir, you see no threat from the...
Look, the people of Assam have not only given us a very good mandate, but if you look at the opinion polls that are happening in Assam by various different analysts, they are all giving us a sweeping victory. And this is corroborated by my own experience. I have traveled around the state in the last few months. The popularity of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, the work of the BJP, both at the union government level and at the state government level, the popularity of the Chief Minister Sarvanand Sonowal ji, and also the image that our senior minister Himanta Biswa Sharma ji has, a very competent administrator, and the development work that has happened, these are all going very much in our favor. The border fencing work which has taken place to stop infiltration, these are all going very much in our favor. And so the theme of safety and security, law and order, that is one big theme. The other big theme is development, vikas, and the third thing is the preservation and the importance given to Assamese culture. These are all going in the favor of BJP. The slogan in Assam that has been catching a lot of ground is BJP plus 100 plus. That is, the alliance will get more than 100 seats. And the theme, as I was telling you, is focused on Suraksha, Samriddhi or Sanskriti. Both Honorable PM and Honorable HM will be going multiple times for campaigning in Assam. It's a very important state. It's the largest state in the Northeast and has been our door opener to winning other states in the Northeast. Our national president, Shri J.P. Nadda ji, has already been once and will be going multiple times as well. One thing to keep in mind, in last 6 years or so, when the Modi government has been here in Delhi, the Prime Minister has visited the Northeast almost 45 times. This is a huge quantity compared to what earlier Prime Ministers did. Even a Prime Minister who was elected from Assam, So this comparison is a very obvious thing that people in Assam are talking about. This is a blatant inaccuracy. As I was telling you, Prime Minister Modi has visited as Prime Minister for official work almost 45 times the Northeast. And this is dramatically more